time for Fun Food Friday. We are going to make dirt in a cup or flowers in a cup. You should have this in your folder or a packet that was sent home. And today we are going to use gummy worms instead of our flowers. Let's see what we need to make dirt in a cup. We have to look for our ingredients today. We have to find Jell-O, gummy worms, plastic bag and plastic cup, Oreos, and milk. These are our ingredients that we'll need to create our flour or dirt in a cup. Our first ingredient we have to find is an Oreo. I see Oreos. You can use thin, regular, or double stuff. Our next ingredient I see is Jell-O. I see instant pudding Jell-O. I see chocolate Jell-O. I see milk. I see milk. I see gummy worms. I see gummy worms. I see a plastic cup. I see a plastic baggie. We have a couple tools that we are going to use for our Fun Food Friday. A bowl, a whisk, and a spoon. You can help your family get out a bowl, whisk, and spoon. We are going to make our pudding today, but if you have a chocolate pudding cup at home, you can use that too. To make our chocolate pudding, we need a whole box and 3 cups of milk. Our first step is to open our box and put the mix in the bowl. Our mix is open. Now we put in the bowl. All done. Our next step is to find our milk and put 3 cups in our bowl. We can fill up our measuring cup. This is 1 cup that we have to put in. 1, 2 cups. Now we need more cup. We need 1 more cup. We can put in our bowl. Our milk is all done. Now we can take our whisk and stir our chocolate pudding. Stir. It's starting to look different and good. It smells like chocolate. Our pudding and stirring is all done. We are going to put it to the side for right now. You can find your Oreos and open up your box and take out a few to put in our plastic baggie. We are going to crunch them up. I'm going to put 1 Oreo, 2 Oreos, 3 Oreos, 4 Oreos, 5 Oreos in my bag. I'm going to close the bag. I hear it close. And now this is the fun part. I'm going to crunch and smash the Oreos into tiny pieces. You can shake the bag, stomp the bag. Until the Oreos are nice and small. That looks good. Now that our Oreos are all done, we can kind of shake our Jell-O, and it seems to have set. And we can use our spoon, and we might ask for help to put in our clear cup. We are going to take about 2 big spoonfuls of pudding to put in. 1, 2. I'm going to put my spoon to the side and get my Oreo bag now. I'm going to open my bag and put some on top of the pudding. You can use your hands to feel the crunchy Oreos and put on top. I like to layer my dirt, so I'm gonna put more chocolate pudding on top of the Oreos. 1, 2. And if you want to put 1 more, if you like the pudding, you can even put 3. And you can see the different layers over here. So dirt, darker ground maybe, how they're different colors. We're gonna take our Oreos again, and we're gonna put more on top of our pudding. I need more. We have 2 layers. We need 1 more thing of our ingredient list to add to our chocolate dirt. Gummy worms. We know that worms live in the dirt. We are going to add our gummy worms on top. Going to put 1, 2, 3 gummy worms in my dirt. My dirt cup is ready to eat. You can use your pudding spoon, put in, and try it. Time to eat. You can tell your family how our recipe tasted. Fun Food Friday is all done. Have a good weekend, friends.